Kerikeri Airport has a skydiving drop zone with its parachute landing area located to the northwest of the runway 33 threshold. They operate both PAC 750 and Cessna Caravan aircraft. We are limited to daylight hours and VFR weather. Time from takeoff to exit is normally between 5 minutes for a light load to 25 minutes for a heavy load. Parachute drops normally take place from 10,000, 13,000, 16,000 and 20,000 feet. While the aircraft is climbing to its next drop altitude, there is a mandatory 3-minute separation required for the skydivers. Parachute descent time is typically between 3 and 5 minutes. The aircraft descent is similar. The skydivers are in freefall for approximately 1 minute before opening their parachutes between 3 and 5,000 feet AGL, at which point it takes a further 2 to 5 minutes to land. The parachutes have a forward speed generally around 20 to 30 knots. On a zero wind day, they will be dropped in a line from 1 mile before the landing point through to about 1 mile past. At 20 to 30 knots, the skydivers will be exiting from 1 mile past out to 3 miles past the landing point. The parachute flight path cones in as they near the ground to a point that they hold above the landing areas. As the wind increases, this cone moves and tilts upwind. The main runway is protected from crossing skydivers by a procedure that ensures jumpers do not cross from west to east below 1,000 feet AGL, or move over the runway while positioning to land. This provides an area over the runway up to 1,000 feet and the width of the runway that is safe to operate while skydivers are landing. Due to the inherent descent angle of a parachute returning to the landing area, vertical separation is provided for from any aircraft in a standard circuit pattern. For joining aircraft, remaining clear of the overhead by joining an existing leg of the standard circuit will help maintain separation from parachutists. When joining straight in, the previously mentioned protection area will keep the parachutists clear from normal aircraft movements. Using these arrival and departure procedures have eliminated any separation issues. The only events known to have happened have been when aircraft have flown over the airfield or made very early turns after takeoff that have taken them close to the skydivers. On every load, our aircraft, as well as other traffic, take off and land simultaneously with parachutes without incident. In addition, we have a staff member monitoring the progress of the parachutists. They are trained to alert local traffic if they see any potential conflict or issues arise. As with all uncontrolled airspace, maintaining a good lookout and good communication is paramount to ensuring continued safety.